slow because of temperature, and that's not because it's cold, but because it's going to get warm. The rotobeater is going right in front of the tractor. They're sticking close together to try to keep the root temperature down so we can keep harvesting. I just got back from the shop. I had to put a wheel seal in my truck, so I lost about 4 rounds, but that's the way it goes. It is about 7:45 in the morning. The sun's starting to come up over there. We're just slowly making our way around the field.